write a 2500 word blog post on the benefits of the artificial intelligence. And there you go. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, an innovative chatbot developed by OpenAI. This powerful artificial intelligence can generate natural language responses to your questions and even provide code. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge tool for conversational text generation. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to set up your very own ChatGPT account and will show you how to use it. ChatGPT provides two different interfaces to choose from, and the best part, it's free to use. However, keep in mind that each request does come up with a small cost. It's currently about 2 to 4 cents per 750 words. It's unclear at this time that how much ChatGPT will cost in future, but for now you can take advantage of this amazing tool for almost zero fees. To get started with ChatGPT, the first step is to open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Alternatively, you can click on the link provided below in the description. In order to use ChatGPT, you will need to have an account with OpenAI. The company developed this amazing tool. To create an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your own OpenAI account. To complete the account setup process, you will need to provide an email address, choose a password and verify your email and phone number. Once these steps are completed, you can log into ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. This will bring you to this basic interface where you can start asking ChatGPT the questions right away. Now, are you ready to take your ChatGPT experience to the next level? In addition to the user-friendly interface at chat.openai.com, you can also visit Playground at beta.openai.com/playground. This advanced platform offers even more customization options, including the ability to select different AI models trained by OpenAI. The state-of-the-art DaVinci 0.3 model is a great choice, but you can also experiment with other models to see how they perform. And that's not the all. The Playground lets you to adjust settings like maximum length of the characters to fine-tune your ChatGPT experience. So why to settle for the basics when you can access even more powerful features in the Playground? The Playground's manual control can be especially useful when you want to generate a specific amount of text for a project like a blog post or an essay. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to create a 3000 word report on the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. Or you might try requesting a 500 word short story featuring a person who relies on AI in their daily life. In addition to this length control, the Playground also offers few other features like the temperature control or few more things to help you customize your ChatGPT experience. So whether you are working on a serious research project or just looking to have some fun with AI generated storytelling, ChatGPT has something to offer. And there is one more killer feature that I would like to mention before wrap up this tutorial. Another way to make the most of your ChatGPT experience is to explore the preset options available in the Playground. These presets can provide a great starting point for generating conversational text with ChatGPT. And if you are looking for even more inspiration, then must check out the example page at beta.openai.com/examples. This page showcases a wide range of creative uses for the ChatGPT, including the movie title to emoji transformer feature. Watch this video right here to see a handpicked list of most useful examples. I hope this tutorial was useful to introduce you to ChatGPT by OpenAI. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.